Hello everybody. Today in this video I am going to tell my transformation from zero to hero in English Academy. Going ahead, I would like to give my introduction. So hello everybody. My name is Vikas Kisanji Bhagat. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Sri Satya Sai Niketan High School from English medium. As well as I am also student of Zero to Hero in English Academy from main course. I want to become DM in my life and I want to be English confident till 13th December 2022. Friends, English. English is very important in every field, government job or private job. In any job, any officers are there in any field, their English is must. We know. Means I am in I am in ninth now. If we go in Mumbai side, their students are able to talk in English in fourth or fifth. Means how I became English confident. I want to tell you. Means I want to tell you one incident. Means school, a teacher was teaching, a science lecture was going. Teacher suddenly asked me one question, but that question's answer I knew, but I wasn't able to give answer with confidently in English. Then I joined our class Zero to Hero in English Academy. Then I become English confident. Means they told do activity. I did activities. Means I has completed my 200 videos. And after completing 200 videos, after doing all activities, I became English confident. Means before joining this class, I wasn't able to talk front of camera. I do not have confidence. But if I did all activities, I did all activities, then I become English confidence. Means I did all activities and then means I become English confident. Now